Alexa, let's cook a meal kit.
Here are the Amazon meal kits currently available in your area. 1. Togarashi spiced salmon. 2. Chicken parmigiana. 3. Steak romesco. 4. Chicken sofrito. You can say select number 1, 2, 3 or 4, or for more meal kits, say next.
Select 2.
Okay, let's make chicken parmigiana with pesto farfalle and caprese salad. I'll guide you through the recipe step by step. Are you ready to get going?
Yes.
Go ahead and unpack your meal kit now. After you've got everything laid out and ready to use, check the printed recipe card to make sure you have all the equipment and pantry items you'll need. When you're ready, ask me for the next step.
Alexa, what's the next step?
Step 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. Alexa, what's the next step?
Step 2. Fill medium pot with water. Add a large pinch of salt, cover, and bring to a boil on high heat.
Alexa, next step.
Step 3. Rinse basil, pat dry, and pick leaves from stem.
Alexa, next step.
Step 4. Rinse tomatoes.
Alexa, next step.
Step 5. Place 2 plates and 1 medium bowl on counter.
Alexa, play Andrea Bocelli.
Andrea Bocelli from Corinna's Apple Music.
Alexa, what's the next step?
Step 6. Add flour to 1 plate.
Alexa, next step.
Step 7. Combine half the Parmesan with the panko and a pinch of salt and pepper on other plate and mix well to combine.
Alexa, next step.
Step 8. Crack egg into bowl and beat well with a fork.
Alexa, next step.
Step 9. Coat both pieces of chicken well with flour, then egg, and finally with panko mix.
Alexa, next step.
Step 23. Divide pasta between 2 plates and place chicken on top. Serve with caprese salad on the side.
Alexa, next step.
That's the end of the recipe. Bon appetit!